Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with the official demo video for my new AI web app called ByPaiss. Now, ByPaiss is going to allow you to instantly elevate the quality of all of your AI content to the highest quality possible, while at the same time making all of your AI content fully undetectable from any of the AI content detectors that are out there. And it's going to allow you to do so for any niche content, for any language in a matter of seconds, so that you can get more traffic, more rankings, and more sales without ever having to worry about getting penalized by the search engines or the social sites. All right, this is going to allow you to finally be able to feel 100% confident to grow and scale your business using AI content. But many of you might be wondering, why should I even care about creating fully undetectable AI content? As many of you know, AI content right now is more accessible to more people than ever before. Literally anyone has access to ChatGPT, GPT-4, and other AI writing models as well at their fingertips to be able to quickly and easily create content for just about any niche and any language that you'd like. But with that popularity also comes some trouble. And that's what we have seen starting to spark the rumors. Okay, I'm talking about rumors like, will Google penalize AI content? And ever since these rumors have started, a bunch of people have started to panic, and with good reason. Okay, many of us have been through this show before, when Google decides to release a big update and it just tanks all of your rankings, tanks all of your traffic, your sales, all of that just goes to the floor from one day to the next. And that's one of the worst positions to be in. And I've actually been in that position myself, where Google releases an update and my rankings and income went to zero overnight. And many of you either have heard or have experienced that yourself, if you've been around over the last 5 to 10 years or so, okay? But however, thankfully, so far, as of today, as of right now, Google has come out and said that they will not be penalizing website owners who are using AI content, but that is a big yet. Okay, they're not penalizing just yet, and I honestly feel that's a big yet, because at the end of the day, we don't know what they're gonna do tomorrow, next week, next month, or even next year. Okay, and like I said, they can easily decide that, you know, once more websites owners start using AI content, maybe that's when they decide to release an update, because as of right now, the majority of websites out there are still not using AI content. All right, but the signs are already there. They're already starting to mention that they can detect AI content. There's almost a dozen AI content detectors out there. Even OpenAI has released their own AI content detector, okay? All of the signs are pointing to the direction of us having to elevate and change and make fully undetectable AI content. All right, so that's what ByPaiss is all about. We built this platform to allow you to create fully undetectable AI content, but not just that, elevate the quality of your content so that it can truly be passed as a human-written piece of content. So let's go ahead and jump into this, and let me show you exactly how this works. All right, we built this as a web app, and there's literally 3 options that you have to complete. Number 1 is you're going to be able to choose the readability of the content, whether you want basic, which means it will write at a high school level, intermediate, which will write at a college level, and advanced, which will write at a doctorate level writing, okay, which is pretty much the highest quality that you can get. Then once you do that, you'll be able to choose whether you want the usage of that to be general, a blog post, and marketing, so that our platform knows exactly how to structure and format your content. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go directly over to ChatGPT, and here's actually a piece of content that it's actually already written for me for all around intermittent fasting. So I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to come over here to GPT-0, which is honestly the harshest AI detector out there. It's probably the best and the toughest one to actually get through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this content that was just written for me using ChatGPT. I'm going to click get results, and you'll see that this says your text may include parts written by AI. So now I'm going to take this piece of content, I'm going to bring it over to ByPaiss, I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at intermediate for now. I'm going to hit bypass this content. And now our system is getting to work for me. And not only is it going to be improving the quality of this content, but it's also going to make it fully undetectable. All right, and there you go. The process has now completed. But there's one other thing that I also want you to notice is that not only did it improve the quality of this content, but it also added to it. So it took it from 427 words of the original content that ChatGPT wrote for me, and it turned it into 726 words, okay? And let's just read some of this so that you can see that it does give it a much better tone, a much better quality, and it just gives it a much more human written aspect to it, okay? The practice of intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular among health enthusiasts worldwide. While it may seem like a new fad in nutrition science, its roots can be traced back to ancient times when fasting was often tied into religious or cultural customs. By understanding these historical connections, we gain valuable insights about how intermittent fasting could potentially benefit our modern lifestyles today and beyond. And let's read some of this one here. Intermittent fasting, a unique pattern of eating that alternates between periods of fasting and consuming meals, has gained significant attention worldwide. While it may seem like a modern health trend, its origins trace back to ancient practices often tied to religious and cultural rituals. You can see that this one is much more to the point, doesn't really have much personality to it compared to this one that does have a lot more personality and uses we and all that stuff in it, okay? So let me go ahead and copy this, go back to GPT-0, get results. And you can see that now your text is likely to be written entirely by a human. Okay, so again, not only did ByPaiss go ahead and elevate the quality of this by giving it a true human touch to it, it added to it, and at the same time, it made it fully undetectable by the top AI detector out there. Okay, GPT-0, like I said, is the harshest AI detector out there. It is the top one being used right now. And you see just how simple it was to turn your content to a much better quality and make it fully undetectable using ByPaiss in a matter of seconds. Let me go ahead and do one more so that you can see just how powerful this platform truly is. Here's another piece of content that was written for me all around skincare. So I'm going to go ahead and run this through GPT-0 one more time so that you can see that your text may include parts written by AI. Okay, I'm going to bring this over now. I'm going to close this. I'm going to do a doctorate level, and then I'm going to hit bypass this content. And there you go, that process has completed. And once again, you'll see that it turned 589 original words written by ChatGPT, and it turned it to 955 words. So not only is it improving the quality, it's increasing the amount of content that you're able to post on your websites, and it's making it fully undetectable. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back to GPT-0. All right, I'm going to hit get results. And you can see, again, your text is likely to be written entirely by a human. So ByPaiss, again, allows you to quickly and easily increase your content, increase the quality, and make it fully undetectable, okay? And this is going to allow you to get ahead of the curve and allow you to get more rankings, get more traffic, get more sales by being able to confidently use AI content that will be fully undetectable, and you can be 100% confident in building and scaling your business using AI content without having to worry about when and if Google is actually going to release an AI content update. But I can tell you right now, many of us have seen these signs before. If all of these AI detectors are starting to pop up, then there's a reason for that. And that's why we have built ByPaiss to allow you to really put your AI content to the next level and be able to confidently use it in your business to get more traffic, get more rankings, and make more money, okay? And on top of that, during this special that we have going on right now for ByPaiss, you're also going to be getting our plugin option here. Now our plugin allows you to install ByPaiss on any existing sites that you already have that may have either AI content already posted on there or some other original content posted on there, and it will go in there and automatically rewrite all of your existing content on there, elevate the quality, increase the amount of content on there, and make it fully undetectable by just installing our plugin. Now, you will be getting this as a bonus with your front-end purchase. And with that, we also have ChatGPT integrated in here. So I did want to show you guys how I'm going back and forth from ChatGPT to GPT-0 and the results that you're able to get after using ByPaiss. But once you actually purchase ByPaiss, we have ChatGPT built right in so that you don't have to be clicking back and forth through different tabs. You'll be able to insert your prompt right here, get your content written right away inside of ByPaiss, put it through our ByPaiss system, and do everything under one central dashboard, okay? But that is exactly how ByPaiss works. It allows you to truly break the shackles when using AI content, especially ChatGPT, which is the #1 content AI content platform out there. But now that more people are starting to use it, you're starting to notice that, you know, it's starting to become an issue. And that's why ByPaiss allows you to kind of, make yourself a little bit more immune to any potential penalties that may result using just plain old ChatGPT AI content. All right, so make sure you pick this up right now at the link below, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.